Wishing you all a great day, my sweet little children. Today too, I hope you're ready with a piece of paper to make origami. Okay, so look at what we are making today. We are making a sheep today, a baby sheep, a lamb as we call it. Now take your piece of paper, any color that you like is fine, as long as it's a square piece of paper. Then we have to fold it in half like this so that you get a triangular shape. Then open it up, and then this bottom edge comes and meets the middle, this bottom left edge, and then this upper left edge also comes and meets in the middle. Now, since we need a tail for our little lamb, this is what we are going to do. Bring that corner to the middle. Then again open it up, fold it back, so. Right? So the line has to be passed by that. Now turn it around. Now this little triangle, can you see on that side? Now this corner comes and meets somewhere here, but it doesn't go to the very end. Remember that. Now fold it in half like this. Then slowly lift this flap up. Now, doesn't this look like something else that we made? Who is it like? Yes, it's a rabbit, isn't it? Yes, in our first videos we made a rabbit which looks just like this. But now to make the little lamb also we need this basic shape, just like we did the rabbit. Now see, this is our rabbit. Now we are going to make the lamb by doing what? We are going to have a little difference here. So now, do you remember that we cut a piece like this? We cut it, put a little cut like that. If you don't remember, pause the video and go back to watch our videos. Then it will show you how to make the rabbit, so that if you watch it, it's easier for you to do this, to make this sheep. Now we are going to make that part here. How are we going to do it? Now this little ear part, we have to fold it slowly down. We have to use both those ear-like parts. Bring them down and press it well. Then take one piece and then push it down along that line we made earlier, right? And this line here we have to again fold it in, right? By holding it, fold it in. Now like that. So as close to that line as possible, fold it in, and then again fold it backwards. Then it has to go inside, not the outside, the inside. This little piece has to go inside, right? Okay, we'll do the same thing on the other side. We are going to fold it along the line. We are going to fold it inside, right? And then we are going to fold it up again. Then we are going to fold it up again, and then twist it and put it up like this. Okay, now we have to tweak his little tail a bit too. So fold it downwards a bit, then open it up, open this flap up. The Nakawari Ori folding technique is what we are going to use now. So using both the sides, we are pushing it in. Right? We have to push it down and from either side, press the paper. And that is how our sheep is made. But since he doesn't have pointy feet, let's fold the bottom triangle inside. See, now fold it down like this and then push it inside. See, now our sheep is over. Baby sheep, he can stand up and graze on the grass even. Isn't it pretty? So we are going to make more animals like this, and even the sheep and the rabbit. So you have to watch all our videos to see all this and enjoy our videos and the origami craft and creations I'm teaching you, right? So like, comment, subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press on the bell icon to get notifications about new origami creations that we are making. So don't forget to join. See you soon.